If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah, what's good, PB gang? It's your boy poppyblasted, man, coming at y'all with another video. And yes, I'm back. The last video I told y'all, bro, I'm back. All right, and we doing the same video. In one day, we doing 2 videos, bro. This is the same day. I ain't gonna see here a lot of y'all. This is the same day, bro. This is the same day. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? We about to get cracking though. This right here, this video today, we gonna look. Pick up y'all brushes. If you don't got this brush, it's okay. Even though you need the best brush in the world, man. I don't know what you sleeping on. I don't know why you got it. Look at the bristles. Look at the bristles. Come on, man. Let's be real. Check it out. Check out the grip. Look at the grip, man. Nobody got this grip, bro. Come on. Come on. Let's be real, bro. Look at the grip. Man, y'all sleep if y'all don't got it, man. Look at that logo. Come on, this ain't painted on. This ain't printed on. This thing ain't coming off, man. I could bite it and it ain't gonna come off. Man, what you talking about, bro? Anyways, man, if you ain't got this brush, this is the people that go flawless soft brush. If you don't got this brush, it's alright. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Pick up any brush y'all got. It don't matter if you not woofing, if you woofing, what you are. I'm woofing though. You know what I'm saying? I'm woofing though. You feel me? I'm woofing. It just don't look like I'm woofing. That's when you know you killer woofing. That's when you know your hair is dumb trained though. When you woofing heavy and you can't even tell, it look like you got a fresh cut. When you just, you know what I'm saying? When you just like post a picture or something on IG and they ask you, is that a fresh cut? You should feel good about yourself because that means your hair dumb trained. They think your hair is short, but it's really long because it's trained though. It's just laid down. You feel me? Nah, I got a shaper. It ain't no haircut. You know what I'm saying? So you should feel good when somebody asks you that. It ain't no offense or nothing. You know what I mean? They be like, well, man, did you get a cut? Nah, I got a shaper, bro. I'm woofing right now, man. What length you are? I don't know. I didn't get a cut, so I don't know. Last cut was like 6 weeks ago and shit. I think I had got a 3 then, so hey, maybe my hair at about a 5. I don't know shit. Anyways, man, let's get cracking with this brush with me. Y'all know how the brush with me goes, man. Y'all know who the originator of the brush with me is, man. Come on, man, me. We gonna get cracking though. PP gang, let's go. Let's brush together. So y'all know how we do it. We gonna go like we going live. You know what I'm saying? There was no cutouts. There was no nothing. We just go straight, get cracking. You know what I'm saying? Strictly to the brush session, and we're not gonna edit nothing. This is just raw. You feel me? So actually, this will be the first time y'all see me brush with this brush too. Yeah, man. Y'all know I used to use you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I used to preach back in the days using the Diane's, you know what I'm saying? The wide bristles straight, but now I'm using curves, bro. Come on, man. Curves, bro. This right here is crazy. Anyways, man, we're gonna start with the left. Alright. We'll start with the left right here. I don't know what y'all starting with. Y'all starting on your left. Start with your left with me. Let's go. Let's go, man. Alright. So kind of hot here too though, low key. Yeah, let's see. If I start on my left, come straight right here, come down. You know what I mean? I ain't putting no products in my hair or nothing. It's early. So in the morning, I really don't put any products in my hair. I just use the softy just to awake my hair and not rag up in the mornings. You know what I'm saying? My routines now is like it's kind of the same, but it's kind of different. It's kind of, it's slightly different though than before. You know what I mean? It ain't really too much change though, but I got more experience, you know what I'm saying? Which means I've been doing it for a long time, so like I learned a lot of different things work for me now. You feel me? But it ain't too much different things. It's pretty much the same, really. But yeah, it's in the morning, so I'll just use my I just brush, you know what I'm saying, with the softy to awaken my hair. I ain't using no comb, no nothing. Just straight softy. Come right here. Also, I brush more with control now, and I do a lot of vertical brushing too. I don't know, I just do a lot of vertical brushes on angles now. Like I said, I'm more experienced. Things change, so over time you find out what works best for you. Also, when you just get a fresh cut, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to irritate your hairline. So you don't want to use a hard brush, preferably a medium or soft brush, and you don't want to go to your hairline. You know what I'm saying? Don't go all the way down to the hairline. Like, you know, sometimes we tend to brush from here and we come all the way down to our hair, like past our hairline. It's gonna irritate your hairline, and then you will end up having like a, you know what I'm saying, a permanent mark type shit, like for real, like a scab, like, cause you know when you, I don't know about y'all, but my hairline is tender though. You feel me? So after a while, if I'm brushing, I'm coming down after a fresh cut, it's gonna like irritate my hairline. You feel me? And I'm gonna end up having like a scab, and low key you're gonna see a scab all around your hairline. It happened to me. I don't know. It could happen to you too. You might have sensitive skin like me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm letting y'all know off top to don't do that. You feel me? But sometimes I'll do this too. I'll come right here. This is how I really brush. I really brush from this side. But the only reason why, like this though, like the mirror behind me. But the only reason why I'm brushing the other way is for you guys, so you guys can see better like this. I know you guys get a better vision this way. Better view, whatever. So yeah, man. You back with the brush with me, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, I miss doing these type of videos. Miss doing this shit, man. For real. All right, now we going to the right. I'm trying to put this camera down a little bit so I can see what the hell going on. All right, let me see. All right. Yeah, same way. Come from my hair though. From the back, come right here. What y'all been up to though, man? Holla at me in the comments, man. PB Gang, what y'all been up to? I know a lot of y'all got older now. A lot of my teenagers, y'all graduated. I better have graduated high school or college, man. Something. What's good with y'all? Everybody good? How y'all been doing since COVID? You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all ain't lost nobody or nothing. Everybody healthy. Everybody in the gym, man. Cause at the end of the day, it's about wealth, but it's about health. You know what I'm saying? It's about wealth, but it's also about health. For real, health come before wealth. Yeah, wealth gets you more money and gets you, you know what I'm saying? You need money to do everything nowadays. But at the end of the day, how can you get the money if you ain't healthy? You sick. So you gotta keep your body mobile, you feel me? Keep your body gassed up, you feel me? So you gotta stay healthy, take your vitamins. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all got y'all people to go merch vitamins. The Fuego vitamins is fire. You get that from peopletogomerch.com. It's like biotin, but better than biotin. The gummies and it tastes good. So y'all better go to peopletogomerch.com. Get your vitamins, stop playing. Y'all know we got all the hair care there. If y'all didn't know, man, we got everything. Brushes and all, man. We doing it big, bro. Who brushes look like these? Nobody's. We doing it, bro. We are doing it. We are doing it. Yup. See, you see how I ain't coming to my hairline? Look. See that? See, if I was coming to my hairline, I'm coming all the way down right here. You feel me? Coming all the way down right here and scratching my hair. I'm not doing that. Plus, not only that, it will irritate your hairline. It just make your hairline look less sharp. You feel me? You want your hairline to last, because my hair go fast, bro. After like a day or two, I promise you, my hairline is not gonna be crispy if I'm going down right here. But if I don't go down right here and I'm just doing a cool little brush session like this, my hairline will last. You know what I'm saying? For about, I don't know, 3 or 4 extra days. I know I got forks though, man. I'm trying to get back to the rope god.
Rope god.
Nigga got forks.
Rope god.
But
AKA rope god.
It's all good, man. We working. We're working towards being back flawless. You know? We back in the lab, bro. Y'all see, we back in the lab, man. For real. We are back in the lab. Y'all know too, after you get done with the brush session, man, you know, you ain't fully done with the brush session until you do this. Try not to make my videos too long too. Y'all better be having y'all brush out though. Y'all better was brushing with your boy, man. Y'all better was brushing with your boy. Y'all know we gotta use these diamonds, man. Use these hands. Yeah. We use these hands. What the hands gonna do is this, it's just pretty much preparing you. It's preparing your hair. You know what I'm saying? Use this first. I never not do this, bro. Every time I get done with my brush session, I'm always doing this. It's just a habit. I've been doing it for years. You know what I'm saying? You wanna make sure everything in place, your crown, all that. You make sure you pull out a plastic bag, bro, or you can pull out your lay down G. Right now, use the lay down G, I'm using this. You know what I mean? What this gonna do is gonna smooth it out. It's gonna give you the extra lay. Yeah, your hands give you that lay, but your hands, especially like mine, I got callus and stuff because I've been lifting weights and everything. So, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too smooth, you feel me? So it ain't gonna really lay my hair down like I want to, you feel me? So I use this. So any type of smooth plastic, you can use a plastic bag, you can use a chip bag, you can use a grocery bag. You can use this if you want to use this. You know what I'm saying? You can use whatever you want, pretty much. Anything that's plastic, and you can even take off the. You can even take off the, you know what I'm saying, the plastic off your grandma's couch. That's in the storage. I'm dead. I'm dead. Nah, but we using that. I got y'all plastic, right? Get to the left side. Like I said, this is a morning session. This is what I do in my morning sessions. I just use my softie to awaken my hair. And I use this. And then I rag up. I'm about to go to the gym in a minute. That's pretty much what I do. And then I throw the rag on. Do-rag on. But for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna brush that long, you feel me? Because I want it to be extra long, you know what I mean? Because I know everybody got, on the time and everybody got something to do, you feel me? So I try to keep y'all tuned in and watch, you know what I mean? I don't want it to be extra long. Y'all like, oh, this nigga, this shit boring, I'm out of here. Nah, baby, we got to end the video down, don't trip. So after this though, I'm not gonna rack up right now, because after this, when I turn off this camera, I'm about to go back in, you feel me, with the softie longer. And then use this, and then I'm gonna throw my do-rag on. People to go merch, you know what I'm saying, do-rag on, of course. You know what I mean? We got all colors. Go on there, peopletogmerch.com, go get your do-rags, man. Your flawless rags right here. Best silky in the world, you know what I mean? Anyways, man, I love you guys. Thank you guys for brushing with me. Y'all better have pulled out y'all brush. Like I said, if you don't have the flawless brush, it's all good. You can use whatever brush. You got the, man, this right here is the medium. Niggas got, I'm telling you, bro, y'all been sleeping, man. I don't know where y'all been at, man. Y'all been on the rock or something. Man, you better go to peopletogmerch.com, bro. Also, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, bro. Go follow me on Instagram. You see it right there. It's been in the corner the whole time. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Also, subscribe to the channel. Comment below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know you guys are here. Like the video, please. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the bell so you will not miss out on none of the notifications that I drop. None of the videos that I drop, bro. You will get notified on your phone. And then you're gonna watch the video. Alright? So make sure that bell is highlighted. Thank you, man. I love you guys. You already know what's next. If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.